enjoying India's double tax treaty with every government of the world.
Let's say you're an Indian living in Dubai and now you have some income which is generated from the Indian territory, meaning the source of income is from Bharat. Now if India treats you as a foreign national and you take that income to your country, that country that you are currently living in, you'll have to pay higher taxes. But there's a legal way by which every person, every company operating, living outside India and generating income from the Indian sources can benefit, because India has tax treaties with almost every country. Let's say a company or a person living in Dubai who has invested into the stock market of India. Now when he wants to take that earning back to Dubai, he have to pay 20% taxes. But there are only two ways to not do it. First is the tax residency certificate, a certificate which says that that person is the resident of that particular Dubai state with which India has a treaty. And secondly, Form 10F, which collect additional details like status, tax identification number, period of residential status, and now there is no requirement to file PAN in that 10F form. Too long, want me to summarize it? Basically, a non-resident needs to obtain TRC, tax residency certificate, and file Form 10F to claim double tax avoidance treaties, to avoid higher withholding taxes, and thirdly to not answer to any regulatory authorities. But there are ways to not do it without TRC and filing Form 10F.